Welcome back. You're watching Setting the Election Agenda with me, Poonam Burde, and the breaking news that's now coming in is to do with Robert Vadra and the flutter that he's caused after he said he's ready to contest from Amethi. Congress's Uttar Pradesh in charge has now come out and said that the cadre wants Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi to fight from Amethi and Raebareli. Remember, both these seats are not declared by the Congress party just yet. UP Congress chief there going on to say the High Command has been informed about the wishes of the cadre and of the people of both these places which are believed to be Gandhi bastions.
बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज बीइंग आस्क्ड इज कि अमेठी रायबरेली में इतनी देरी क्यों कांग्रेस की तरफ से?
बिल्कुल देरी नहीं है, उसमें अभी चुनाव में भी समय है, काम शुरू है, सिर्फ उम्मीदवार की घोषणा हमने नहीं की है, तो जब समय आएगा हम उसकी घोषणा कर देंगे, कोई देरी नहीं।
आप चाहेंगे कि राहुल जी प्रियंका जी चुनाव लड़े? बहुत डिमांड भी है काडर की आपकी।
क्यों, पूरा हर एक कार्यकर्ता चाहता है कि वो यहाँ आकर उत्तर प्रदेश से चुनाव लड़े। मैं ही नहीं, अमेठी और रायबरेली की जनता, वहाँ के कार्यकर्ता और पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश के हमारे कार्यकर्ता दिल से चाहते हैं, उनको इस चीज की सूचना दे दी गई है।
राहुल जी अमेठी से लड़े, प्रियंका जी रायबरेली से लड़े, ये चाहता है काडर?
कहीं से भी वो तो उनकी मर्जी है, इसके बारे में तो वो स्वयं निर्णय करते हैं, वो जब भी निर्णय होगा उसकी घोषणा।
रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जी ने कहा कि वो अमेठी से लड़ना चाहते हैं।
नहीं, उनने अपनी सेवाएं पार्टी को ऑफर किया है, तो पार्टी और हाला कमान के ऊपर है। इस प्रकार से हजारों कार्यकर्ता अपनी सेवा देने के लिए अपने आप की वॉलंटियर करते हैं, उन्होंने भी वॉलंटियर किया है, नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट। वो तो हमारी जो केंद्रीय समिति है वो इसके बारे में निर्णय लेती है।
Aman, the UP Congress chief there making his wishes, the wishes of his cadre and of the people of Amethi, making very, very clear. But what exactly is running through the minds of the Congress top brass or Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi? Clamour for Priyanka Gandhi contesting has been made from multiple corners so far, but she hasn't taken the plunge just yet.
Well, yes, and you know, if you hear to Mr. Avinash Pandey, who's the UP in charge of the Congress, he's very clearly saying here that the sentiment of the people of Amethi and Raebareli, the sentiment of the Congress cadre in these two seats as well in the entire state is for Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi to contest from Amethi and Raebareli, both the Gandhi family strongholds. He said that there is no delay in the announcement. It's only the candidate announcement is left, but the work by the Congress party on the ground in both these seats has begun. He said there is still time because these seats are polling in later phases, and the buzz is that after the Wayanad election of Rahul Gandhi is complete on 26th April, the Congress could come out with an announcement about Amethi and Raebareli. I also asked him about this new claim which has been laid by Robert Vadra in this interview that he gave to CNN News 18. Robert Vadra said he also wants to contest from Amethi, and that's a demand from the people of the ground, to which Mr. Avinash Pandey is saying that Robert Vadra has offered his services to the Congress party from Amethi, and he said there is nothing wrong in that because hundreds of Congress karyakartas can express their wishes, and Robert Vadra has also expressed his wish, so there is nothing wrong in that, but the ultimate call will be taken by the Congress working committee for seats of Amethi and Raebareli. He said there is no dispute over the fact that Robert Vadra has made a claim here, but he said that the demand of the cadre of the UP of these seats is that Rahul and Priyanka should contest, and Avinash Pandey also saying that they have informed Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi of this overwhelming opinion of the Congress cadre on the ground and the people of Amethi and Raebareli. So it's an announcement which is eagerly awaited because Congress has announced nearly all its 17 seats it is contesting in Uttar Pradesh, except these two seats which are polling in phase 5.
Right, and it looks like the Congress is in no hurry just as yet. But for the moment, Aman, thank you so much for getting us the latest.